The debate surrounding open borders is a contentious and multifaceted issue, rooted in both historical experiences and contemporary challenges. History has demonstrated that open borders can have far-reaching consequences, raising questions about the sustainability of social services, the role of government in protecting its citizens, and the impact of illegal immigration on host nations. In this essay, we will explore what history has shown us about open borders, the potential consequences of millions of illegal immigrants accessing welfare, and the importance of government in safeguarding its citizens and their property. Historical perspectives on open borders. Throughout history, open borders have been both a source of opportunity and a point of contention. The idea of open borders, which implies unrestricted movement across national boundaries, is often associated with economic prosperity, cultural exchange, and innovation. For example, the United States, a nation built on immigration, has benefited from the contributions of millions of immigrants who helped shape its society and economy. However, history also reveals instances where open borders led to challenges and conflicts. One example is the fall of the Roman Empire, where a lack of border security and a mass influx of migrants played a role in the empire's decline. The Roman Empire's inability to effectively manage its borders resulted in the arrival of various barbarian groups, leading to social and economic upheaval. Modern challenges of uncontrolled immigration. The modern era has seen an increase in migration, with millions of individuals seeking better opportunities, safety, or refuge in other countries. This phenomenon has led to a rise in illegal immigration, often driven by economic disparities, conflict, or political instability. When large numbers of undocumented immigrants access social services in host countries, several challenges can emerge. One significant concern is the potential strain on social services and public resources. In countries where illegal immigrants can access welfare programs, there may be increased pressure on healthcare, education, and other social safety nets. Critics argue that this can lead to overburdened systems and a reduction in the quality and availability of services for citizens. Government's role in protecting its citizens and property. Government plays a pivotal role in safeguarding its citizens and their property. The concept of the social contract, often attributed to philosophers like Thomas Hobbes and John Locke, suggests that individuals surrender some of their natural rights in exchange for protection and the rule of law. The government is responsible for maintaining order, upholding the law, and ensuring the security and well-being of its citizens. In the context of immigration, governments are tasked with establishing and enforcing immigration policies that balance humanitarian considerations with national interests. While compassion for refugees and immigrants is essential, it is equally important to maintain the rule of law and protect the rights of citizens. A well-regulated immigration system ensures that resources are allocated fairly and that illegal immigration does not undermine the social contract between the government and its citizens. Conclusion. History provides us with valuable insights into the complexities of open borders. While there are instances where open borders have led to prosperity, there have also been times when uncontrolled immigration had detrimental consequences. The challenge of illegal immigration accessing social services is a modern concern that requires careful management to ensure that resources are distributed equitably. Governments have a vital role to play in striking a balance between compassion for immigrants and their responsibility to protect the interests and property of their citizens. Ultimately, the debate surrounding open borders and immigration is a nuanced and multifaceted issue, which requires thoughtful and evidence-based policymaking.